Hello children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 11, perimeter and area, we learned that the area of a square is side into side. To measure the area of any figure, the area, that means the surface enclosed by a square of side 1 centimeter, is taken as 1 square centimeter. 1 square meter is the area of a square with side 1 meter. How to convert the units of area? 1 square centimeter means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Convert these 1 centimeters into millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. This 1 centimeter means again 10 millimeters. 10 tens are 100, millimeter into millimeter, we get here square millimeter. So 1 square centimeter is equal to 100 square millimeters. 1 square meter means 1 meter into 1 meter. Convert 1 meter into centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Again this 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 100 hundreds are we get 10,000. And centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. So we get here 1 square meter equal to 10,000 square centimeter. The area of a square with side 100 meter is 1 hectare area. 1 hectare means 100 meter into 100 meter. That means 10,000 meter square. And if we want to convert meter squares into hectare, we have to divide by 10,000. Coming to exercise 11.4. Question 1. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of path, also find the area of garden in hectare. Here this inner rectangle is a garden with length 90 meter and breadth 75 meter and a path of 5 meter broad. Width of the path is 5 meter. Is built all around the garden, along the garden, but from the outside. We have to find out the area of this path and area of this garden in hectares. Here to find the area of this path, we have to subtract the area of garden from the area of garden with path. That means here we have to subtract the area of this inner rectangle from the area of outer rectangle. So let us find out the area of garden first. Length of the garden is 90 meter, breadth of the garden is 75 meter and it is in rectangular shape, so area is length into breadth. Length is 90 meter, breadth is 75 meter. 90 into 75, we get here 6,750 meter into meter, meter square. But area we want in hectare. And we know that 1 hectare area is equal to 10,000 meter square. We have to convert meter squares into hectare. So we have to divide this 6,750 by 10,000. So we get the area in hectares. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there in denominator followed by 1. So here this point will move 4 digit before. We get here 0.6750 hectare. Now we have to find out the area of outer rectangle here. That means the area of garden with path. Here the width of the path is 5 meter. From here also 5 meter. So the length of outer rectangle we get here 5 meter plus 90 meter plus 5 meter. So the length of outer rectangle is 5 meter plus 90 meter plus 5 meter. We get here 100 meter. Now breadth. Again width of path is 5 meter. This is 75 meter and this is 5 meter. So the breadth of outer rectangle we get 5 meter plus 75 meter plus 5 meter. We get here 85 meter. Now area. It is in rectangular shape, so area is length into breadth. Length is 100 meter, breadth is 85 meter. Multiply 85 into 100, 85 100. meter into meter, meter square or square meter. Now to find the area of path, we have to subtract the area of inner rectangle from the area of outer rectangle. Area of outer rectangle is 8500 meter square and area of inner rectangle is 6750 meter square. Subtract this, we get here 1750 meter square. But we want this area in hectares and convert meter square into hectares. Divide by 10,000. 1750 by 10,000 hectares. Point will move 4 digits before. So we get here 0.1750 hectares. So the area of path is 0.1750 hectares and area of garden is 0.6750 hectares. Question 2. Here also a path of width 3 meter runs all around the rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter from outside. We have to find out the area of this path. To find the area of this path, again we have to subtract the area of this park from the area of park with path. That means here we have to subtract the area of inner rectangle from the area of outer rectangle to get the area of this path. So the length of inner rectangle is 125 meter. Breadth of inner rectangle, that means park, is 65 meter. To get the area, multiply length into breadth. Multiply it, we get here 8125 meter square. This is the area of this park. Now let us find the area of outer rectangle here. The width of the path is 3 meter. Length of the inner rectangle is 125 meter. Again width of path is 3 meter. So we get the length of outer rectangle 3 meter plus 125 meter plus 3 meter. 131 meter. And the breadth we get 3 meters plus 65 meter plus 3 meter. So we get breadth here 71 meter. Multiply them. We get here 9301. This is also square meter. Meter into meter, square meter. And to find the area of path, we have to subtract these two areas. From outer rectangle, area of outer rectangle 9301 square meter, subtract the area of inner rectangle 8125 square meter. We get here 1176 square meter. This is the area of this path. So the area of the path is 1176 square meter. Question 3. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its sides. Find the total area of margin. Here this outer rectangle is a cardboard with length 8 cm and breadth 5 cm. And a picture is painted on this cardboard in such a way that there is a margin from all sides, margin of 1.5 centimeter from all the sides. We have to find out the area of this margin. Again, to find the area of this margin, here we have to subtract the area of painting from the area of this total area of cardboard. So let us find out the area of cardboard first. Length of the cardboard is 8 cm. Breadth of the cardboard is 5 cm. It is in rectangular shape. So area is length into breadth. 8 cm into 5 cm. 8 5s are 40 square centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of painting. The margin from all sides is 1.5 centimeter. So to get the length of inner rectangle, we have to subtract this 1.5 and from here also 1.5. So total we have to subtract 3 centimeter from total length 8 centimeter. So we get here 8 minus 3, 5 centimeter. Now breadth. In breadth also this is 1.5, this is also 1.5 centimeter. From total 5 centimeter subtract this 3. So we get the breadth of inner rectangle 2 centimeter. Here we have to subtract from 5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, again 1.5 centimeter. So the breadth here we get 2 centimeter. Now area. Length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. Length into breadth. 5 centimeter into 2 centimeter. 5 2s are 10 square centimeter. Now subtract these two areas to get the area of margin. Area of cardboard. It is 40 square centimeter. And the area of picture is 10 square centimeter. So we get the area of margin 40 minus 10, 30 square centimeter. Question 4. A veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room, which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. We have to find out the area of veranda and the cost of cementing the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. Here a veranda is constructed all along the boundary from the outside of a room, which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. We have to find out the area of this veranda and cost of cementing the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. To find out the area of veranda, here we have to subtract the area of room from the total area. That means here we have to subtract the area of inner rectangle from the area of outer rectangle. First, let us find out the area of room. Length is 5.5 meter, breadth is 4 meter. So multiply. We get here 5.5 into 4, 22.0. Meter into meter, square meter. To find the area of outer rectangle here, length we want. Here the width of veranda is 2.25. From here also 2.25. So find out the total length. 2.25 meter plus this length of room 5.5 meter and again width of veranda 2.25 meter. Total we get here 10 meter. Now breadth of outer rectangle. Width of veranda 2.25 meter, width of room 4 meter and width of veranda again 2.25 meter. So total we get here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.5 meter. Now this is the length and this is the breadth. Find out the area. Length is 10 meter, breadth is 8.5 meter. Point will shift here, multiply by 10. So we get here 85 meter into meter square meter. This is the area of outer rectangle. And now subtract the area of room from the total area to get the area of this veranda. Area of room with veranda is 85 square meter. And the area of room is 22 square meter. Subtract it. We get here 63 square meter. So the area of veranda is 63 square meter. Now we have to find out the rate of cementing. It is given rupees 200 per meter square. Area is 63 square meter and multiply by the rate rupees 200 per meter square. This meter square will cancel. Multiply this by 200. We get 2 zeros and 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12 rupees. So the cost of cementing the veranda is rupees 12,600. Question 5. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and from the inside of a square garden of side 30 meter. Find the area of the path and the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Here this is a square garden of side 30 meter and a path 1 meter wide is built along the boundary but from inside the garden, and we have to find out the area of this path and cost of planting grass in this remaining area. So to find the area of this path, we have to subtract the area of this inner square from the area of this outer square. Outer square is the total area of the garden and inner square is the area without this path. So let us find out the area of the garden. Total area of the garden side is 30 meter and it is in square shape. So area is side into side. 30 meter into 30 meter, we get here 900 meter square is the total area of the garden. Now we have to find out the length of side of inner square here. From both the sides 1 meter we have to subtract. So from 30 meter subtract 1 meter, here from here 1 meter. So we get the side of inner square 28 meter. Again it is the square. So find out the area side into side. Side is 28 meter into 28 meter. 28 into 28 we get here 784 meter into meter square meter. This is the remaining portion, area of remaining portion. Now we have to find out the area of path. So subtract the area of remaining portion from the total area. Total area is 900 square meter. Subtract the area of inner square. It is 784 square meter. We get here 116 square meter. So area of the path is 116 square meter. Now we have to find out the cost of planting grass in this remaining area. Remaining area is 784. So multiply this remaining area 784 square meter by the rate of planting grass. It is rupees 40 per meter square. This meter square will cancel. Multiply this two. We get here rupees 31,360. So cost of planting grass is rupees 31,360.